Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Xiaomi has just launched its much awaited Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. So for the tablet enthusiast, here I bring a breakdown of this tablet. Display is one of the most notable parts of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra. So similar to the Xiaomi Pad 6 Max, which came within 14 inches, however an LCD display, the Pad 7 Ultra featured a 120Hz OLED display. It sports 3.2K resolution and 1600 nits peak brightness. Further, the Pad 7 Ultra is claimed to use an anti-reflective nano texture for clear visuals. However, it will be available with the variant with 512GB and 1TB storage options. So, a pretty flagship grade display specs. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra measures just 5.1mm, making it the slimmest tablet on the market. For reference, the top-notch tablet like the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra measures 5.4mm. Further, it weighs 609 gram compared to the Tab S10 Ultra's 718 gram. Probably the most exciting part of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra is its chipset. So instead of using the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Xiaomi used its first in-house developed XRING 01 chipset. It is built on TSMC's second generation 3nm process, so making it a potential rival to the cutting-edge Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, Dimensity 9400 and Apple's A18 chipset. Specs-wise, it's a 10-core CPU, more cores than its top competitors, and a clocking speed of up to 3.9 GHz. However, they use a slightly underclocked version, a 3.7 GHz inside the Pad 7 Ultra. That's probably to avoid overheating issues because of its slim profile. Recently, the tablet was spotted on the Geekbench and it marked quite a flagship level scores, a 2715 single core and 8849 multi-core scores. This exciting new chipset is paired with 12 and 16 GB RAM options. As per Xiaomi, the tablet is sufficient for PC level use, and so they preloaded it with Office Suite and CAD apps. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra launched with a massive 12,000 mAh of battery, paired with 120W wired and 7.5W wireless charging speed. On the other hand, the 14.6 inches Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra came with 11,200 mAh of battery, paired with 45W wired charging speed. In terms of other features, there is a keyboard option in case you want a laptop-like look, and its HyperOS 2 integrates with Apple ecosystem, so you can run like Apple Office Documents formats. Now for the pricing, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra starts at 5700 Chinese yuan, approximately $791. And for the people outside China, you can still order it but with a higher price tag. So what are your thoughts on the Xiaomi Pad 7 Ultra? Let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.